Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we got Melanie and Juwan back in here with us today for their second adjustment. They went out and had a good time in Houston last night, so they missed their morning appointment, so we're doing the afternoon for them instead. That's okay. That's okay. We like people living their lives like they want to, so I'm glad y'all had a good time.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's have you close your eyes for me, Melanie, and bend your head forward and backwards for me, and then back to neutral. Excellent. I think your video got something like 10,000 views or something overnight.
They did.
More than that, I think. Wasn't it, Renee? You tell me.
Yeah, it was pretty.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was watching it.
I haven't had a chance to look at any of them today.
Yeah. The only time I ever get to check them out is like 4:30 in the morning when I wake up.
When you're uploading them.
Well, I just get to check them out while you're uploading them. Honey.
Oh, okay. Well.
Renee's a good videographer, but she don't know the first thing about loading videos. She does get all the money shots.
Yeah, now I know what to do.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, you quick study, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. I'm ready now.
Well, Juwan, he's got all my lines down. He could have talked for me yesterday.
Right?
I'm gonna let you do your gig for your first word when we get up there with you.
Okay.
That'll be a first time ever.
Yes, that making history.
Yeah.
You mean you're actually going to be quiet, Dr. Johnson?
Oh, well, I didn't say that.
Okay.
You never heard that come out of my mouth, but I'm gonna let Juwan do his intro because he did it a minute ago. It was good. Yes, ma'am. Home run. That was smooth as silk today too.
That was.
It wasn't as bad as the first one, was it?
No, yeah.
Yeah, you have your glasses on. I don't want
Oh,
your
yes.
glasses. Thank you, Juwan. Okay, let me have you here. Yes, ma'am. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Cracked egg, still gonna love you.
Oh, yeah.
Putting icing on the cake.
Yeah. He's like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the hill. You got that one. All right, let's come over here on your tummy, hon. There you go.
Whew.
Legs are even. Wow, that's a pretty good start. That doesn't hurt at all either, does it?
Nope.
Look at you. There we go. Now I'm going to get L5 right there. There's L4. Do you feel that one? The table didn't drop, but you did. Let me loosen this up a little. There you go. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Got one more here. There we go.
Whew.
All right. Even Steven still. Tell me if there's any pain at all. Great.
Imagine that.
Yeah, imagine that. You know, few people catch on to that one. That's a good, Juwan. You definitely watch it. There we go. Good.
Good.
That's Mike Sager's favorite line for me too. The guy that did our documentary. You imagine that. Okay, Roger.
Oh,
People
but-
are always so surprised they have other back.
Okay.
There you go.
You can tell him
That's all right.
I'm not the crack. He is.
Okay, slide down this way a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Kind of weird when you go to work, you tell all your friends your husband's a crack addict, huh? They go, what? When did you start doing that? Oh, you've been watching it for years now. Alright. Atta girl. Okay. Now let's set you up face this way.
Ooh,
There we go.
Whew.
you guys came all the way down here from Columbus, Ohio, right?
So,
And we got a couple people who just came down from North South Carolina today and driving, what'd they say, 18 hours from
ooh.
South Carolina?
Yeah, they really need,
Yeah, I said, don't be driving home the whole way without taking a break and getting down and doing your exercise. I showed you.
They're staying for the night.
Oh, they're staying the
Yeah.
night.
Okay,
Good.
that's
I
good.
gave them the restaurant.
They'll probably feel bad in the morning too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of places to go here in Houston, aren't
Oh,
there?
yes, there is.
Yep. Okay, let's come over here in front of the mirror. All right, Melanie. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Wow, look at you. You're the perfect posture picture today. Good for you. Hold those there.
perfect pop picture.
Perfect posture patient of the day. Look at you. Good. Okay. Wow.
Uh-huh.
Take another look.
So you know I can't see without my glasses, but
Well,
I'm
trust
blind.
me, it's better. It was. Just flex your head forward and backwards and tell me if this feels smoother.
It does.
Very good. Good. So this is your second adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, Melanie. What would you tell our crack addict fans around the world about your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic
You
Relief?
gotta come visit. It's life
It's different in person
It is, yeah.
than it is on
No,
YouTube,
yeah.
isn't it?
You will be able to tell the difference. Even with the first adjustment, I was able to tell immediately.
Yeah,
so.
there's no doubt left in anyone's mind who ever leaves here that they have had a full chiropractic adjustment.
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes.
Right.
And that's what really separates us, because that's all we do here is adjust the spine and extremities, the
Right.
whole body really.
Mhm.
And we're not putting people on therapies and stuff
Right,
just to
yeah.
get your insurance money. We don't
Exactly,
even
right.
like insurance. We don't take
Right.
insurance anyway. And it wasn't hard for you guys to get an appointment here when you went
No,
to our
it wasn't.
website, was it?
Mm-mm,
Did
it
Renee
wasn't.
get back to you
She
in a timely
did,
manner?
she did,
Yeah, less than a week.
Good.
No, actually, no. She messaged me back the next day, I believe.
Oh,
I
yeah?
didn't check my email. It took me a couple of days to check my email.
Oh.
So, yeah. So, yeah.
Well, good. Well, thank you for sharing your
Thank
experience
you.
with everyone,
Thank
Melanie.
you.
You have a
Thank
safe
you.
trip back home to Columbus.
Yes, I will. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Keep all that cold weather up north.
I know. I feel like we brought it. We brought
Yeah,
it.
you may have.
So, yeah.
They got that Arctic blast blowing through. You got down in the teens last night, they said.
Yeah, it was.
I don't know. We didn't do it. Okay, Renee's telling me to hurry up. So, Juwan, it's your turn.
Yes.
I'm going to let Juwan do his intro.
Hey, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and I'm Juwan back with you today. And I came in from Columbus, Ohio. This is my second adjustment here. You know, Doc had already did my orthopedic and neurological exams yesterday. And I was having some tension up here in my cervical spine and down here in my mid-thoracics and a couple of SI joints, you know. So we're going to stand up here in front of the mirror.
Yeah.
And
Hey,
check
how do
me
you
out.
like our Advanced Chiropractic Relief apparel?
Oh,
Did you see that?
yes, that
Yeah.
is awesome. So,
Pretty cool
I
stuff.
need
We're
to-
going to start selling shirts and t-shirts we had made and everything.
And
So.
put some of your lines on
Yeah,
them,
well,
some
yeah,
of the t-shirts.
team ring dinger. And
Okay.
You can actually custom order them if you go to the contact portion of our website and just put what you want on your t-shirt. We can have them made exactly for what you want to have said on them.
Yep.
So, okay, so
I
let's
knew you
get
couldn't
to
be
checking
quiet.
out, Renee.
Yep.
Now, she's doing that to you now, Juwan. Hurry up. Okay, let's flex you forward and backwards. And then neutral. You did a good job on that, by the way.
Yes, you did.
If I'm ever hoarse or can't talk or anything, I'll be calling you up. Say, hey, Juwan, can you come down there and help me out on my video?
I'll be your voiceover.
Yep, there you go.
And my last name is Johnson.
That's right.
Jawan Johnson. So,
Johnson getting the Johnson chiropractic technique.
so you want to be my cousin or my uncle?
Doesn't matter to me. Just as long as I was in there somewhere.
Oh. There. All right, I'm ready for these pins today.
Yeah, we get it. Don't tilt. There you go.
Ooh,
I'll
ooh,
squeeze you from the side.
I thought
There
I
you
was
go.
ready.
Yeah. Well, Melanie told me to get you in there extra tight today.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah, you know, a good adjustment like this gets rid of hangovers just like that. Not that you have one or anything, I'm just saying.
No. You guys were not that much.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Got me in there quick.
Yep.
I was still preparing.
Didn't
Work was done.
even want you to think about it.
That one was smooth as silk, though.
Yes, sir. See, you got another one of my lines.
Oh.
See, I'm pouring on the Rice Krispies on you too, the milk. Snap, crackle, pop everywhere, Juwan.
Pouring on the Rice Krispies.
Huh?
Pouring on the Rice Krispies.
Hey, I already poured on the milk. I might as well pour on the Rice Krispies now.
I haven't had Rice Krispies in forever.
I know, me either.
I like the Rice Krispie treats myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, those ones that have the marshmallows in them.
Oh, yeah. Rice Krispies in the purple
Rice
box.
Krispie
Yeah.
treats. Yeah. I don't know what kind of box they come in. Well, you're awfully helpful on a lot of matters, Juwan. You're gonna have to come back more often.
Yeah. Yep.
Is he this much help at home? Is he this much help at home?
I know what you mean, Millie.
Hey,
But
on our days off, I get to spend time with my mistress. Renee lets me spend time with my mistress,
Yeah.
which is my Corvette.
yeah.
What is it?
I know, I told him he's pretty lucky.
Walking or-
I tell him to go get your mistresses.
Right.
Take off.
Yeah.
You're irritating me.
But sometimes she don't like to ride with me because I have a tendency to drive pretty fast.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That's,
But you know,
what?
it's my need for speed.
And I'm not going Friday to the drag races. It's too cold out there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna race anymore when it's this cold. Slide down just a tad there. You got a heavy head today. You must have a lot on your mind. There you go.
Mhm.
You didn't have that line, did you? Yeah.
All right.
Slide down this way, Ted. There you go.
So, he's not adjusting my cheekbones or anything here. He's just putting my head back over top of my spine.
And what kind of head would that be? Bowling ball.
Bowling ball. Putting that bowling ball back on top. Get in here and get this Jesus adjustment. Got adjusting my shoulders here and my clavicles.
Keep going. You did great.
My interior ribs.
Yep. See there?
There we go.
Perfect. Good job.
So I'm just gonna let my leg
Wow.
loose here.
You're hired.
Just let Doc have it. There we go.
Oh, yeah, this is all day, every day.
You guys playing your Houston Chiropractor at home? And just don't be ring-dinging Melanie.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright. Feel any clicking there in
Yes,
that
I
shoulder?
do. It's a little grindy and skippy right there. There we go.
All right.
That's your labrum, by the way.
There we
Post
go.
your labrum in your socket joint and your glenohumeral.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah, he's popping better today than he did yesterday even.
Mm-hmm.
Because we broke all
Yes.
those fibrotic adhesions
Oh, yeah.
and scar
It's all
tissue
that scar
loose
tissue.
yesterday, huh?
Yep. Getting that fibrotic adhesions up out of there.
Yep.
I felt it.
Well, if you didn't feel it, I'd have to do a double dinger on you.
I'm for that, but yeah, I feel better, making me a better man, Doc.
Yes, sir.
A better man.
All right. Let's have you flex
Wow.
forward. Look, you were
I'm not
looking like a
translated. I'm
military
not
man.
translated to the
Not at
writers
all.
yet.
Not at all.
Yeah.
In fact, you're right down the middle everywhere.
Mhm.
Look here, even.
Yeah.
Standing up straight like a
We're
military
just
man.
gonna pull this
Killing
back.
me.
There you go.
Gotta shoot me.
Yeah, you're in Houston,
I'm in
right?
Houston.
Okay, let's see if it's on a swivel yet.
Oh yeah.
Look pretty good to me.
On the swivel.
I feel great, so can you.
Yeah, didn't hurt you at all, Doc.
Didn't hurt me at all. Nope, that's right, man. It's a pleasure treating you guys this week.
Uncle got Gregory Johnson.
Hey, we have some good times in here too, don't we?
Oh yes, sir.
Not only are we serious about what we do, but we like to have a little fun while we're doing it.
Yep. like family.
Okay, so gotta end it off.
Yep. All right, so the adjustment was great. Everything is on the swivel. I'm back in line. I want to say to everyone out there to definitely come in. You know, you got to get rid of that tension in your body. All of your electromagnetic impulses trying to get to your autonomic nervous system. Got too much stagnant energy to get through. Release that. Let it flow. Let that electricity flow.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
this is your Houston
Reconnecting the nervous system.
Yeah. So, yes, we had Advanced Chiropractic Relief. This is Dr. Gregory Johnson, your Houston chiropractor, and he cracks me up.
And where are we at?
And
We're in
already said
Texas,
Houston.
right?
Houston, Texas.
Well, no, he said I was a Houston chiropractor. He didn't say Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas.
Wow.
Bingo.
So you supposed to have all those
That's
down.
a no-brainer, honey.
Okay.
That's why he's the professional, you know. That's why
Okay.
he's the professional.
And we'll see you
We
next
have to
time.
present
Okay.
you with Team Ring Dinger, since you
Ding,
have
ding,
got
ding,
your Ring Dinger, and you get one too, Melanie. Yeah, when you put that up on your work slot there, they're going, "What's Team Ring Dinger mean?"
Uh-huh.
know what it is.
Tell them it's the best adjustment in the world, because it is.
For sure. Yep.
If I do say so myself.
When
and
I
I
came
do.
in, I was all dinged up. Now I'm ring dinger.
There you go.
Alright.
Thank
All
you
right.
for
Yes,
sharing
sir.
everything with us.
Thank you
This
very
is
much.
your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of Team Ring Dinger. We'll see y'all soon.